So I have a new interesting video for you today. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the $1 million puzzle. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see, leave it in the comment section down below and hit that like button. It will certainly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I got this puzzle from MSCHF online. I purchased it. It was not sent to me, so this is not sponsored, but I thought it would be a fun video that we can go over and see what it's about. Now, you complete this puzzle, you scan it, and you could either win between 25 cents and $1 million. So I am going to push the camera back. We are going to get started. I'm sure this is going to take a while, but my children are going to help me. And then, yeah, so let's get started. All right. So let's go ahead and put this puzzle together. And I'm not going to record all of it. We're going to open the box. Here, go throw that away. And then we are going to start on it, and then we'll be back because this is probably going to take a while. It says the $1 million puzzle. Everyone is a winner. No, seriously, you can't lose. Okay, so we got our card that we do not throw away that has our code on it. And it looks like that. And like that. And it's got a code on the back of it. And then we got our puzzle. And the silicone gel. Set that to the side. Stop. Before you start, take a photo of your secret code, put it on the insert box. If you lose the code, you can't claim your prize. Then nobody wins. We hate that. We're not going to lose our code piece because I have it put up. Alright, so let's get started. Y'all flip over all the pieces. Okay, so we're going to do this and we'll start putting it together, and then we will be back, and as soon as we get most of it, or a few pieces put together, and let you know how hard it is. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. We've been working on it about an hour total. We stopped and ate lunch and watched a little bit of a movie, and now we're going to get back to work. So wish us luck. We're getting there. It's quite a difficult puzzle. Okay, so this is where we are about after an hour and a half. It's going pretty smoothly now once you get the hang of it. At first, to get started, it's a little rough, but we're continuing going, and as you can see, these kids are helping a tremendous amount. So let's go. Okay, and we are almost there. So we are probably going to finish within the next 30 minutes to an hour, hopefully. But yeah. Okay, so we just finished the puzzle. Took us about 2.5 hours. It wasn't too bad. So now we are going to check the code. So we got this card, and then we are going to okay, so as you can see, it took us to the $1 million code. We'll turn back on the light. Alright, so now we're going to enter our prize code in. Okay, so we entered in our prize code. Now let's hit reveal. And we won 25 cents. Okay, so that was expected. But it was fun. Wasn't it fun?
Yeah.
I mean, the kids are a little disappointed, but it was fun. We had fun. Overall, I mean, it's a cool puzzle. Yeah, I've seen people win $100, but those are only the puzzles that were sent to them. I don't know. I'll have to try it again or something. Okay, so you just saw us do that one, and now we bought that one. So we're gonna get started working on this one. We're gonna go through the same routine. I'll be back to film the part where we reveal the code, and then we will get on to our final thoughts and reviews on this product. Okay, so this is the second piece, and if you can see right, let's see if we can zoom in a little bit, right there, we're actually missing a piece. So what I did was I put a piece of paper underneath it, and I lined up all of the lines, and I colored it with a marker to kind of fill it in and make it look like we had that piece. And then so I scanned it, and we are on the reveal page. So now I'm going to enter in the code. Let's see. All right, so I entered in the code. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. I'm going to tap on reveal. And it's another 25 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and hit claim the prize. And last time I claimed the prize, they didn't even send it to me. So, which 25 cents, I mean, it's not a whole lot, but I think it's the principle more than anything. So we'll wait to see if I will get that. And if I do or I don't, then I'll be back to give you my final review. And we had fun doing this one too. It kind of sucks that we didn't have that one piece, but you know, it happens. So I'll see you in a few days. Okay, so let's review these $1 million puzzles by MSCHF. Okay, so we bought 2 of them. We had all the pieces of the first one. We were missing a piece on the second one. We only won 25 cents. That's no big deal. It's kind of like playing the lottery, but they're $35 a piece. So the positives are it was fun. We had a good time. The negatives are some of the puzzles are missing one piece. I wasn't the only one missing one. There's been others. They say you can win upwards to $1 million. The only people that actually seen win $100 are ones that they sent to them. And most people only win 25 cents, which it's like playing the lottery. You take that gamble. And the third is a lot of them are missing that final puzzle piece. So if it's that much of a coincidence, I doubt it's the people that are actually losing it. So would I purchase again? No, I wouldn't. You could buy an $8 puzzle and have just as much fun. To me, it's just not worth the gamble. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.